أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. طاسيم. تلك آيات الكتاب المبين. نتلو عليك من نبأ موسى وفرعون بالحق لقوم يؤمنون. إن فرعون علا في الأرض وجعل أهلها شيعا يستضعف طائفة منهم يذبح أبناءهم ويستحيي نساءهم إنه كان من المفسدين. ونريد أن نمن على الذين استضعفوا في الأرض ونجعلهم أئمة ونجعلهم الوارثين. ونمكن لهم في الأرض ونري فرعون وهامان وجنودهما منهم ما كانوا يحذرون. وأوحينا إلى أم موسى أن أرضيه فإذا خفت عليه فألقيه في اليم ولا تخافي ولا تحزني إنا رادوه إليك وجاعلوه من المرسلين. صدق الله العلي العظيم.
اللهم صل وسلم وزد وبارك على رسول الله وآله الأطهار. All together. على رسول الله وآله الأطهار.
أحسنتم سيدنا. Please.
Overall, I appreciate your recitation. MashaAllah, at this age, you copied a reciter who is not in your age. So it's quite difficult because the pitches he uses and the pitches you use is quite different. And you are in the age of puberty, so it's quite challenging for you as well, because the Abbasi voice is completely different from your voice. Just, you have to work on your voice because you are in the age of puberty, so it takes a while so you can get on the track. Thank you very much.
Mullah, I wanted to come to you with a question before your feedback. I appreciate it. Sayyid mentioned there's a certain time where your voice becomes quite difficult to control, i.e.
Exactly, that's what I wanted to say. You are in a very critical age, 13, 14, 15, yeah? So your throat is still not matured. That's why it's kind of losing tune, yeah? But in general, you are very nice. But I have a question for you. If you go for next round, do you recite again Abbasi?
Yes, I intend to, yeah.
So I heard Abbasi. I want something else. I want to tell you that in second round, you don't choose. We choose.
Oh, okay.
Oh.
Sheikh Nazar, another point if you don't mind, because as you mentioned, in the second round, we need your voice, the highest pitch of your voice.
No problem. Sayyid, if the second round is after 2 years, he will be fine. Yeah, but the second round maybe will be after a few days. And we choose for you to recite Manshawi. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Can you or only Abbasi?
I think only Abbasi, yeah.
Okay, thank you very much.
Right. Sayyidina, please.
you know, between the age of 13 and 15, it was very embarrassing to hear people talk about me passing puberty and adolescence. So I know this must be a very difficult period for you. I'm not going to be discussing your, adolescent evolutions that are taking place. On the contrary, all I'm going to say is, listen, you have a love for the Quran, and I'm really proud of you. And just keep going. I think, there's a good chance you'll have a bright future. Well done.
Ahsantum. Said Mesum?
So I think it would be quite silly for me to add anything after such experts have told you everything. As far as your voice changing right now, when I was going through this period, my ustads told me that every day in the morning, try to go the lowest notes as you can. So we call that karaj. So all the way as low as you can go. That is gonna, so some weird science behind it says that the lower you can go, eventually you'll be able to reach higher. So that's my only input for you.
Yeah.
Ahsantum. And of course, lastly, Hajj Mustafa.
Ehab, may Allah bless you. Well done for that recitation, and continue doing what you're doing. I can't add anything else to what the experts said. Ahsant.
Ahsantum. Ahsantum. Please help me in thanking Ehab Elsoudani. Thank you, Ehab.
I'm alone, I'm in pain, I want to be